Hi, I'm Victor Santos, Executive Chef at Tuyo, and today we're going to be showcasing one of the newest additions to our menu. It is a Thai-inspired lobster salad using Maine lobster and a lot of Florida ingredients. So the main ingredients for this lobster salad are asparagus, cherry tomatoes, oranges. In this case, I cut the oranges into segments, fresh Florida mangoes, a whole steamed Maine lobster, and lettuces. The lettuces, in this case, I'm using a mix of artesian lettuces that encompass romaine, red Cherokee lettuce, as well as a little bit of endives. For the vinaigrette, I'm using a sriracha vinaigrette that has a bit of a kick from the chilies, but also a sweet taste to it from honey and a bit of sugar. And I'm also using a smoked avocado puree, which gives a foundation to the salad as well as a savory feel to it, plus it'll take a bit of the heat away from the sriracha vinaigrette. There is one item that I'm using that you can omit in case there's an allergy, which is a spicy roasted peanuts. And you can buy those at the store or you can make your own. To finish it up, the salad, there are a few fresh herbs that we can add on. Cilantro. We can add on mint. And finally, basil. In this case, I'm using micro basil. So for the lobster salad preparation, we're gonna use 2 bowls. And 1 bowl just for vegetables, the other bowl will be with the lobster. Let's start with the vegetables. The lettuces, the mangoes, a little bit of the orange segments, a good amount of tomatoes, and the asparagus. Get it mixed, nicely coated, and then in another bowl we're gonna get the Maine lobster. We also will add the spicy peanuts and a little bit more of the vinaigrette. So now that all the ingredients are mixed, it's time to plate. And we're gonna start by adding the smoked avocado puree. And you can be generous because this brings a lot of flavor out and gives a nice balance between the spicy from the vinaigrette and the sweetness from the lobster. And then I'm gonna lay the greens and the vegetables piece by piece into a half moon shape. Just like so. Adding a bit of asparagus, the oranges, and the mangoes. Slowly but surely. And this is a nice and fresh salad to have throughout the summer. As it gets hot, it's a good size salad that you can use it. You can have it as a meal, or you can make it a little smaller and have it as an appetizer. Just like that, a little bit more mango. Perfect. And now we lay down the lobster meat that is tossed in the spicy vinaigrette with the nuts. Just like so. Nice big claw. The tail piece. A little claw here. And all the peanuts. So to finish it off, our lobster salad, the fresh herbs, which will just basically combine all the flavors together and bring a lot of freshness to the lobster salad. Starting with the basil, cilantro, and then fresh mint leaves. And there you are, our Thai-inspired lobster salad with Florida mangoes and a sriracha vinaigrette. So while I was working in New England, every time I had a day off and I had the opportunity, I would go to the sushi place where there's a Thai chef who would make extremely fresh salads as specials. And I remember he was using figs, he was using heirloom tomatoes, he was using even bananas on his salads. But that basically drove me and inspired me to make a Florida version of this lobster salad using all fresh ingredients and local ingredients here from Florida.